Katarzyna ran a small law firm in Warsaw. Family matters, contracts, the quiet, careful work people bring. A lawyer when their life is complicated? New clients almost always found her through the website the firm had commissioned. Like every firm now, they had bolted on the normal tools. Analytics to see their traffic, a pixel for the ads, the default cookie banner the web studio installed. Katarzyna trusted that the technical side had been handled correctly. The letter arrived as an email one ordinary morning, between a court date and a client note. Dear Mrs. Nowak, we represent a resident of the European Union who visited your website. Before they gave any consent, your site sent their personal data, their location, the pages they read, to servers in the United States. Under Europe's privacy law, the letter said, transferring people's data like that without a lawful basis is illegal. It named the culprits. Analytics that phoned home before consent. A pixel that shared activity with a third party. A cookie banner that set trackers before anyone ever touched it. The fines, it warned, can reach 20 million euros or 4% of annual turnover. Cease it and confirm the fix within 30 days, or a formal complaint goes to the supervisory authority. The irony was almost unbearable. She advised clients on compliance for a living. So she ran a scan of her own website, and she watched it happen. The moment the contact page loaded, before anyone clicked accept, 10 trackers fired. One quietly noted which practice pages a visitor read, divorce, debt, a dispute, before they ever reached out. The most sensitive reasons a person calls a lawyer, copied across the ocean to companies she had never chosen. That was the part that shamed her. People came to her in confidence at the worst moments of their lives. And her own website had been leaking the nature of their troubles to strangers every day before anyone agreed to a thing. The fines were real. Regulators across Europe had already ruled these exact data transfers unlawful. It did not have to be her firm that got made an example of, but the risk was real, and it had been running quietly on her site every single day. 30 days to make it stop and prove it. For a lawyer, a formal complaint about mishandling clients' data was more than a fine. It was her professional name, the one thing a firm cannot buy back, hanging on a website she had never truly examined. But the fix started with simply seeing. Katarzyna could watch exactly what her site sent and when, before any consent. She did not have to guess. She could fix the thing that actually mattered and know that her client's confidence finally stayed theirs. Right up until the day she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information.